Introducing AutoShark Ghana, your ultimate destination for automotive care and precision. Today, we take you into our workshop as our skilled technicians work their magic on a 2013 Corolla, giving it more than just a fix, giving it a renewed zest for the open road. With a commitment to quality, we are not just repairing tires, we are reviving trust. Our passion for perfection fuels every turn of the range, ensuring your safety and satisfaction ride hand in hand. Stay tuned for more tire spinning adventures and a whole lot of automotive awesomeness. Remember, with AutoShark Ghana, every road leads to excitement.